Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this new product, Bliss Kiss Simple Squeezable. It has a bottle of nail oil with 3 squeezable pens so you can apply the oil in your cuticles. It comes single with 1 pen or a pack of 3 pens. So what you're gonna receive is this calendar. This is just to keep track of when you oil your nails. These are some towels that came with the product, and this is the bottle of the oil. I got the fragrance free, but as you're gonna see on the website, there are many other fragrances, and I think they also have seasonal fragrances for Christmas or so on, so that's super fun. It came with these 3 pens. So these are plastic pens that you can refill with your oil. It has a cuticle pusher on the top, so you can actually, after applying, just push your cuticles back. So when you open this, you're gonna find the brush inside the lid of the pen. Here you have some instructions on how to put it together. Honestly, I didn't find that it was hard to do it. So you basically open the pen and you pour some oil in the container. I made 3 of these because I have one on my bag, one at work, one at home. This is super convenient. So you basically push the brush in the container and then you just put the lid on and it's basically done. So it's super easy. These pens are made out of plastic. They're not like super flexible to squeeze, but the oil just comes out very easily. When it's time to refill your pen, we're gonna separate the brush from the base. I'm gonna be using the other side of the cuticle pusher and I'm just gonna push the brush out. And it's that simple. So you can refill it again and then put the brush up again on the base. You have the instructions there. Normally just a little bit of oil will be enough for all your fingers. So I really love this product. I've been using it for over a month and I'm super happy about it. I recommend it 100%. Tip: when you apply your oil, try to also apply it underneath your nails and just massage it a little bit to make sure that the oil gets completely absorbed. I give this product 4.5 stars out of 5 just because I really love it. The pros are there's no leaks, it's easy to use and refill, and there are different options of fragrances. On the other side, the pen is a little bit hard to squeeze and the bottle of oil that comes with the package is a little bit small, although they offer a bigger size on their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!